Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn decimal multiplication. So let's get started. The first example that I have is 49.8 multiplied by 8. First, just forget about the decimal. We have to multiply 498 into 8. So let's do this. 8 times 8 is 64. 6 on top, 4 on bottom. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 plus 6 is 78. 7 on top, 8 on bottom. 4 times 8 times 4 or 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. So we multiply simply 498 into 8. We got 3984. Now look at that. How many digits are there after the decimal? Here just one digit, which is 8, and here is 8 as a whole number. So because one digit is there after the decimal, you have to put the decimal after one digit from right hand side. I'm explaining again. First you have to multiply 498 into 8. After getting the product, you have to think about how many digits are there after decimal. Here there's one digit, so after one digit from extreme right, we are putting the decimal. So the number is 398.4. Let's do the second example. 3.83 into 0.4. First we have to multiply 383 into 4, just forgetting about the decimal. Let's do it. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 on top, 2 on bottom. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. 3 here, 3 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now, let's see how many digits are there after decimal. Top number, 2 digits, 8 and 3 is 2, and the bottom one is 1, which is 4. So if I ask you how many digits are there in both the factors, that your answer will be 1, 2, 3. So let's put the decimal from extreme right 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal. 1.532 is the product. Let's do a little complicated one. 4.785 into 9.5. First, forget about the decimal. Let's multiply 4,785 multiplied by 95. Let's get the product first. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 here, 5 here. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. 4 here, 2 here. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. 3 on top, 9 on bottom. 4 times 5 or 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, just make it cross so that we have less chance to do mistakes. We do not write in exact spot. You can make it either a cross or a 0. Let's start multiplying 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 on top, 5 on bottom. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. 7 on top, 6 on bottom. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 7 is 70. 7 on top, 0 on bottom. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. Let's add it. 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 on top, 5 on bottom. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. and 4. Just like the last example, let's count how many total digits are there after decimal in both these numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 digits are there on top and 1 digit after in the bottom. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put the decimal starting from extreme right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 4 digits are there after decimal. So from extreme right, I'm going 4 steps to the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put the decimal here. Let's do our last example. 50.31 into 3.47. Forget about the decimal. Let's multiply 5031 into 347. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 on top, 1 on bottom. 7 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 times 5 is 35. We are not going to write this part, so I put a cross. Let's cross this one also. To avoid the mistake, let's start multiplying 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 12. 1 on top, 2 on bottom. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 5 is 20. We are not going to write this part. Put a cross. To avoid mistake, I cross the top one too. Let's multiply 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Now let's add this. 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 1 here, 5 in the bottom. 3 plus 1 is 4. Rest of the things are 0. So I put it 4. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1. Let's find out how many digits are there after decimal. 2 on top, 2 on bottom. So total is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put the decimal starting from extreme right, and we go 4 steps because you can see there are 4 digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a decimal. The product is 174.5757. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.